When KIRUMIRA arrived, he forced the gate open to let the journalists in.
You come in, all of you, enter. Enter, this is freedom. We can't be, enter, go up. You run up. Nobody can stop media from coming here. Why? What's the reason?
He insisted that there is nothing to conceal in the delivery of the ruling, adding that he believes his speaking out in February has contributed significantly to the recent changes in the force.
The new police administration should desist from allowing this court to operate like a kangaroo court.
KIRUMIRA led journalists towards the courtroom, which resulted in a scuffle with police officers who were guarding the premises.
Where? They will come. You arrest them. Move.
You don't go beyond this point.
They will come. You are joking. Move.
Don't go beyond this point.
Nobody shall arrest you. Move. Nobody. They are joking. Move. Move. Who are you, man? Who are you? Hey, who are you? No. Wait, human.
You want to fight me?
Hey, human. Don't fight. Don't fight. No. Don't fight the media. Don't. What kind of court is that? Where they prohibit the media? Move. Where? Then you close for good.
He has called on the newly appointed police chiefs to clean up the force.
Your Excellency, you helped us to change the administration of the police. Now there are few remaining things. The remnants of the Kawukumi are still within.
He later drove away in protest.